Are you ready?
Yeah. All right, ready? Yeah. All right, we're here with the infamous, the lovely Mama Bird. How you doing?
Mama Bird. I love you.
All right, so okay, everybody here has been here collectively about, for about 60 years of parades.
At least.
At least 80 maybe?
Yeah.
80 years of parades, probably. All right, so I'm gonna go through one by one and tell me your favorite parade memory, quickly.
The horses. MCtv Live.
I didn't pay her to do that yet. I didn't pay her yet.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Everything.
Everything. Yeah, no, hey.
Stormy.
I'm gonna tell you what. You.
Do it, Stormy. Do like I just did.
Stormy. Stormy.
Tell me you like it.
Stormy. Now they don't know it's you. Stormy Brown. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, you good. Best parade memory.
Shriner cars, little race cars.
Shriner cars. All right. See y'all later. My people. All right.